experience, I can always tell you how you can get MCQ correct answer with, I'm telling you, short simple formula. Wherever you will get this statement with the keyword, first we have to find the keywords, and then wherever you will get this sentence along with that statement, continue, just read the statement and you will get the reason why scientists want to investigate El Nino phenomenon at beginning of the paragraph. It means first type of question for this reading is this, and they have given the location also. Only in first paragraph we need to find these words, scientist and El Nino. Okay, so this is my first paragraph. I can show it to you. Do practice with me. We will be doing this reading, El Nino and Seabirds, that was part of 31st August this 2024 IELTS exam. So let's find this scientist word at tropical expanse global. At the beginning of the paragraph they are saying, but I am not finding El Nino word as well as scientist. Okay, they have come, they means maybe talking about scientists, but we can't say that these are the scientists. Occasionally lapse in the march of sessions. Scientist word is here. Scientists are seeking to understand these competing rhythms, the strongest of which is the alteration of the normal climate, and they have given this definition. It means this is the location. From here to here we are given location. Now what I was telling you, I will tell you. Why do scientists want to investigate El Nino phenomenon? Okay, now we have come to know this is El Nino phenomenon they want. So they means scientists, they want to anticipate these occasional lapses in the march of seasons and help societies plan. This is not march of seasons. This is not march of the seasons, and help societies plan accordingly. Scientists are seeking to understand these competing rhythms. So here these occasional lapses they want to anticipate. So let's read the options. To learn patterns of creatures that live in marine environment, no. To assist us to map out because it disturbs normal cycle for wildlife and human being, no. It has profound theory for both the academic side and practical side. And last one is tropical Pacific Ocean where El Nino affects more. So are they talking about these things? So just decide it, then I will tell you my answer, what is the short formula. So definitely, so to learn patterns of the creature. So here it is not given they are learning patterns of the creature, they are learning patterns of the seasons. They want to help societies. So what would be the answer? Assist us to map out because it disturbs normal cycle for wildlife and humans. See this, they and help societies. Societies means human, and where they are talking about animals. Of course, they are talking about seabirds, so they may be talking about animals also. See this, animals also. So on the basis of this line from here to here, I have selected this answer, that they want to anticipate these occasional lapses. So assist us to map out because it disturbs normal cycle for wildlife and human being. That's why we have selected this. So for this reading we have two types of question. First is multiple choice question and second question is true false not given. So I will be doing it. So now let's move to second question. This reading I have already done, but I don't remember, so because this is repeated IELTS exam reading. So I don't know 6 months before or 1 year before when I had done it. Why do scientists use seabirds as important subjects when observe climate change worldwide? Why means reason. Scientists use seabirds as important subjects when primarily, so important subject, and seabirds when observe climate change. Climate change is also important worldwide. Okay, so first paragraph is here. Now let's move to second paragraph. I will show you the question also. So this is my second paragraph, means B paragraph, and we are looking for climate change, seabirds, important subject. Seabirds word is here. Are prominent means important and highly visible components of marine ecosystems that will be affected by global climate change. So global climate change, worldwide climate change is there. So They are prominent, highly visible components of marine ecosystem that will be affected. So most affected birds or animals, they will be seabirds. So they have, in one sentence we have got answer, because they have given reason, components of marine that will be affected by global, so they are the most affected. So let's read options first. If we can't get same kind of reason, then we can read furthermore. Okay, or you can read it one more line. The Bering Sea region is particularly important to seabirds population. There are larger and more diverse in many similar regions. North America, seabirds breeding. Okay, no, I will not be reading much further. So I will show you the answer how we can select. So seabirds affected by prey changes according to the temperature and ice. So in the same sentence structure, no prey something temperature ice is not there. Its size is large enough to be absorbed. This is also not given like that. El Nino affects seabirds more than other sea creatures. So yes, El Nino affects seabirds than other creatures, we can select. And the fourth one also we can consider. North America is situated in the area where El Nino affects most. So North America, yes, here they were talking about North America, where El Nino affects most. No, nothing, they have not explained like North America they have given, but they are talking about over 90% seabirds breeding in the continental are found in this region. It means only this was correct, this we have found it, otherwise all were false statement they have given. Now third number, what happened for marine animals? This is the keyword, that live in Tugi Duck Island in Gulf of Alaska. Okay, so these are the keywords, we have to find it for our. So what happened? Some event, some accident, something happened for these marine mammals. So you can do this. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. So I am looking for these three words: marine mammals that live in Tugi Duck Island in Gulf of Alaska. Okay, so we will not be reading anything, only Gulf of Alaska and Alaska is here. Okay, so let's move to full this passage, and Gulf also. Fulmar something is different. Puffins dive, fish, bird's name, animal's name, storm patterns, frozen something is Alaska, Canada, Eurasia. Okay, kitty works. Okay, nothing is there about Gulf of Alaska is here now. Now we have got the location. Let's read. What happened for marine animals that live in Tugi Island in okay, so I am looking for that animal, that island also. Okay, marine mammals word is here, have exhibited similar signs of food stress in recent years. Harbor seals, oh, same word is here. Now we have got the question location. See this, everything what happened, marine animals, this island in the Gulf. So what had happened, similar signs of food stress in recent years. Okay, and after that declined, their population declined by 85, this and this. Stellar sea loin populations declined by 36 in the Gulf of Alaska by another this and this. So okay, little bit some more information is available for this paragraph. So this is the location, this is the paragraph, you can read it. And we are looking for what happened for marine mammals that live in this island in this. Okay, food stress, similar signs of food stress in recent year. This island declined by, their population had declined. Alaska, harbor seals, stellar loin populations. I think they are talking about different types of marine mammals, that harbor seals, stellar loin population. Northern fur seals declined 35 to this and this, although numbers had rebounded by 1990. Associated with declines in stellar sea loins are declines in birth rate, fewer breeding females, fewer pups, decreased juvenile survival, and a change in population age structure. Okay, means population had decreased. Number of, let's read options. Number of seals declined about 85% from number of seals they have given. Harbor seals declined by 85%. Number of seals declined by about 85%. from the mid 20s. So this is not mid. 1975 is not mid. Mid is around 1950s and all. So this is wrong. Number of stellar loin declined when number seals grew. Stellar loin declines. Stellar loin population declined, and they are doing number seals grew. So number of seals also didn't grow. Birth rate and breeding females declined on this island. So yes, this is given. Associated with declines in stellar sea loins are decline in birth rate. Birth rate word is also there. Fewer female, breeding female, this and this. So it means birth rate and females, breeding female declined on the, this we can select. The situation of mammals on the island is not that worse than we expected. So this, nothing is given about this. Okay, so let's do it. And yeah, one more thing I have remember. So next question we have, according to J. Walker, person name, what happens in the monsoon seasons notably? Means something noted, what happens in monsoon season according to J. Walker. Okay, so let's find J. Walker person in next paragraph. Australia, Indonesia, Indian parts of he. Who is he? Okay, Walker is here. Yes. Monsoon season is also here. So we are near to the location. What happens in the monsoon season notably? Okay, with low index conditions are often marked by drought in Australia. So it means clear reason they have given. He also claimed that low index winters tend to be unusually mild in Western Canada. One of his answer will be from here to here. I think this is the location actually. So let's read the options, because clearly it is given in one sentence, affected by drought. So food and drought seriously damage almost everywhere of this planet. So flood, sorry, this is flood. Flood it is not given, so this can't be. Walker's prediction would come soon. Walker's prediction is also there. In his reply, okay, let's read it from here. British colleagues chided him in print for suggesting that climatic conditions over such widely separated regions of the globe could be linked. In his reply, Walker predicted correctly that an explanation would be forthcoming, but it would require a knowledge of wind and patterns. Okay, basically what happens in the, so actually we are going out of the way. Here only they have asked what happens in the monsoon season notably. So only drought had happened. And let's read other. Drought only affects some parts of the Africa. This is not correct. Here many parts of Australia, Indonesia, Indian parts of it. So only Africa is not correct. Drought will affect somewhere of the earth such as Australia and Indonesia. So we can select this also, D. Now true false not given. Yes, I have selected this wrong answer actually. So here I have seen, so let's read this question again. Why do scientists use seabirds as important subjects when absorbed? So this we have got it in B paragraph. Scientists are seabirds are prominent, highly visible components of marine ecosystem that will be affected by global climate change. But what here it is given, seabirds more than any other sea creature. So comparison was not there, that's why it is not the answer. Now what is the answer? Let's read little bit more. So here they are talking about over 90% of seabirds breeding in continental United States are found in this region. Seabirds, also named because they spend 80% of their lives at seas, are dependent upon marine resources for food as prey. Prey word was there in first. As prey availability changes in response to climatically driven factors such as surface temperature, everything is given, and ice also. So seabirds affected by prey changes according to temperature and ice. So that is correct answer, not this. Only on the half of the question I have read and half I have missed. So here I have missed, that's why it is wrong answer. This is the correct answer.